In this video, I'll show you how the self-cleaning filter function works on the Vacmaster Professional 10-gallon wet-dry vac with FLT Plus technology, and how the LED display helps you keep peak performance without the mess. If you've ever had to open a vacuum tank just to check or clean a filter, you know how dirty that can get. And since a clean filter is essential for maintaining strong suction, keeping it in good shape really matters. That's where the self-cleaning function comes in. So how do you know when your filter needs inspection? With a traditional wet-dry vac, you'd have to stop working, open the tank, and manually inspect the filter, usually while breathing in all that dust. The FLT Plus technology makes that much easier. This vacuum features an LED display on the motor head that shows real-time filter performance as a percentage. At 100%, you're getting maximum suction. As the filter begins to collect debris and airflow becomes restricted, that percentage gradually drops. Instead of removing or replacing the filter, you can clean it in seconds. Just check the display, place the hose over the filter cleaning port, turn the vac on, and press down 3 to 4 times until performance returns to 100%. If you simply need to visually inspect the filter, the Easy Access filter compartment lets you do that without dealing with a messy tank. If extending filter life and maintaining strong suction are important to you, this is a feature worth having. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about this Vacmaster Professional Vac.